Hey guys, it's George Floyd Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the McDonald's. It is the only McDonald's in all of Disney, and actually, besides Disney Springs, it's the only place you have an independent kind of foodery sitting on the property. But this is the only place you get McDonald's food in the entire Walt Disney World. What makes this place very special is a lot of things. So let's go and take a look at it, and we'll go from there. Here we go. All right, so guys, this McDonald's is actually just outside of Pop Century. So all the Pop Century's music, movies, and sports are right behind me. So it's right there. As you're going down Osceola Parkway, when you're leaving the parks, you'll see it kind of on your way to Animal Kingdom. Actually, you'll see it just drop down to your right, and you'll see it sitting there. Now, what makes this very unique is this. One, it is not your typical McDonald's. It has, first off, it has this really great seating on the outside, but more importantly, and you can't see it, and I wish you could see it, on the roof of this McDonald's, which is flat, is all solar panels. This is a completely green McDonald's. It uses solar energy, no electricity, to power itself. Yes, if you can imagine that. That's also why on the outside of the building, you'll see all that green on the walls there. Yeah, they're actually real plants. But so, this is a great little spot outside they have here. They have kind of seating, chairs, they have the cafe lights. They really kind of dress the thing up. And I'll show you this wall of foliage real quick so you guys get a sense. It's really, it's truly McDonald's embracing the green wave, but actually putting green stuff on the walls. But so that's them. And what will blow your mind is that is not plastic. That is real plants. So that's pretty darn cool. So those are two things. Secondly, it is one of the busiest drive-thrus in a McDonald's you'll ever see. You come here at the end of the park day and it is backed up as far as I can see. But also is very unusual about this McDonald's, when we go inside, you'll see it. There's a lot of kiosks, not a lot of people. So what they do is they have very few people at the front, and they have a lot of kiosks with your food. Let's go in and take a look what they got inside. All right, so before we go in, this is interesting. This McDonald's is open, the drive-thru is open 24 hours a day. I said it, 24 hours a day. The dining room is open until 2 a.m., opens at 5 a.m. So just about 21 hours a day. So really, if you need McDonald's food, you can get it. So here's really the inside. Here's all the kiosks I told you about. So you would obviously order, like a lot of McDonald's have turned to. You can order from the kiosks here. And then there's more over here. And then if you see, it's really modern. It kind of has some seating inside, but not a lot. But that is where you pick it up. It's 2 cash registers, no one's there. The mobile pickup window is right there to the right. So literally, you place your mobile order, we're sitting there waiting for you. But this is not a person-driven McDonald's in the front. It is literally a kiosk, green situation. So guys, long story short, this McDonald's is very modern, very neat, very cool, and very green. So with that being said, this is George Floyd Parks After Dark. We're going to go back outside here, show you the seating area one last time. And with that, this is George Floyd Parks After Dark. Hey, listen, do me a favor, like this video. Come to McDonald's anytime you want, 24 hours a day, and get a little French fries, my favorite fries, McDonald's fries. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. With that being said, you guys take care, have a great day.